Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your always fun to drive 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV in a head-turning ruby flare pearl. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. Included in your XLE package is your power liftgate, as well as your convenience features like your backup camera and your push start for the ultimate driving experience.
Helping you into your RAV4 is your handy smart key system. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your power liftgate and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there as well. Locking those doors up, I'm going to put the keys into my pocket, and by simply running your hand across the handle, it'll unlock for you, so you don't have to fish for your keys anymore. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. On the side here, you have your power windows, your power locks. You also do have your power adjustable side mirrors, as well as your lane departure alert. And with your XLE package, you have your heated steering wheel. Below here, you can see that your RAV4 comes equipped with a full set of all-weather floor mats. And you also do have your power adjustable driver's seat, so that you're driving away in the ultimate comfort. And check out the cool sporty detailing put into your cloth seats. Here you have that contrasting white stitching, as well as that center detailing that adds comfort. And of course, letting in all that light is your power tilt and slide moonroof, which will be nice to have open during those long summer drives. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your RAV4 with your smart key system, simply put your foot on the brake there and hit that push start button. That dashboard's going to light up with that cool welcome screen and your ambient lighting. It adds that nice sporty touch with that blue color in it. You also do have your multi-information display, which is open to your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert, your pre-collision system, which you can set all from your steering wheel mounted controls. You can set turning on and off the alert, as well as setting the sensitivity of those sensors. On your steering wheel, you also do have your hands-free calling, your mode changers, and your volume control, as well as your intuitive voice command. On the side here, you can see that you have your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense as well. Your cruise control can be set below here, perfect for those highway drives. You have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, which, as mentioned before, is a heated one. And over here on your LCD screen, you have your audio system open. You have your AM/FM radio with your CD player on top. You have your USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now, shifting into reverse, you can see that your backup camera also pops up on the screen here. A nice safety feature to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here, you have your handy dual zone climate control, which you can set a different temperature for both your driver and your passenger side. It is equipped with air conditioning, and you do have that electronic climate control as well. There's your push start, and there's a closer look at that contrasting stitching with that leather trim that stretches all the way across your dashboard for tying all of that style together. Below here, you can see that you have your eco drive mode as well as your sport mode. You also do have your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side, plus your heated side mirrors, so you're all ready for those Alberta winters. Below here, you have your USB auxiliary input and your 12-volt DC charger, as well as your media storage. Below with another 12-volt DC charger. Here you can see that black trim again, and you also do have that chrome detailing on your shift knob, your leather trim on your parking brake. Inside of your center console, you have that top shelf for smaller items and plenty of space inside to store everything that you need. You also do have that open shelving for any media or things you don't want to forget to grab before you leave. Of course, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your RAV4 inside of your glove box. Plenty of functional and sporty features built right into your RAV4. But why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your RAV4. To open up that power liftgate, simply hold that button on your fob there, and it'll warn you that it's coming up. A nice feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Check out all that space that's available to you in the back of your SUV to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy tonneau cover here to provide just the right amount of privacy for your cargo. You also have your 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items when you're furniture shopping. They easily fold down for you. Underneath here you can find your spare tire and your tools and your jack in case anything does happen. This piece on the side here also removes so that you can store your tonneau cover underneath, so you don't have to leave home without it anymore. To reactivate that power lift gate, simply press that button there. It will warn you that it's coming down. On the back here, you can see that you have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit messy out there. You also do have your backup camera to help you in and out of those tight spots. You can see that you have your XLE all-wheel drive chrome badging, as well as that detailing on your back bumper there. As we take one more look at the back of your RAV4.
Taking one final look at your brand new 2018 Toyota RAV4 XLE. With built-in Toyota safety sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, you'll be riding in the ultimate comfort and safety. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.